Most people complaining say because he any style of I thought that
I'm say corona drone ya
no I thought that pay forecast was say attitude hope you try you and treasure
and they just one yes 10% fee ya
you say Janet out na who China so 1% no custom say ye nyina ye pay adwuma no ehie say last week na me bo media na basona edru ba bia me ka ama for Jema no see bon no say ka ye nyina hu ni say tempa no boy senka promote the bad side the good side of it rather than the bad side of it na kan ye ma konanim dania ene ye hu because adwuma ye nyina wo mu no eboa enye director nkwan na enya ena enye producer nkwan na enya enya actor nkwan na enya na emum printers e was on faso radio stations was on faso TV stations e was on faso nti nyina amwa ni promote se de e kono say ye hwe ye problems a na e face e wo industry no na ni ehu ni say edru baby na e wo managerial crisis kakra e wo ho because the structures were not working even though na bill no ho a ye nyan passing into act but oko in any constitution no say yem enye bill cry na mo bylaws bia a govern no
okay
and no one can tell me say na ye adwuma no na any laws are a govern here name as typical Ghanaians as we are no sometimes you front at the law and man no dey wo ho but say ye be ye be this one no e Ghana ni bia adene ye nyam ti hey me kan e man wo ho but a man so die no e dene man ni ba nti ati aye kan obi oni industry mu no e na de we ye no ho because yan dey ye nib dada it has been there since memorial e wo just that afraid na abenya legal backing but we just watching American as I feel abenya legal interfere na emra no abeye kete no afraid ni ye mehwe say die na beye because classification board you know what dada and na friend censorship board what dada
na ye require ka censorship board egu ye hunu adwuma mo ye
na e wo ho me movies a me de censorship board 7-8 years ago ni nyina no am classify but edru baby no na ama ye dormant na put it that way because in summer me hwe wa ha nyina no there's nothing new in it adipo for bi any
na se mra we na wo ho
mra no wo ho
ba na mo mfa nya bi
esu die no implementation no e ho na problem no wo
ye ha die bi won se e kamia ko ese Ghana ha no yetimi hye mra no na mra no e da ho a ono timemu ni se mra no se inetie onimu mra no until so gbakwa akofo a e be ye de ne ko mra ni mu ase ye ko kire se why you see onyi se eno enso ka ho bi na ama eniama ntimi nya mra we amumu kwa omumu bi ni mu ntimi anya adwuma be si ne
e ho na mpese enam de ma ho odin kakra e ko because the National Film Authority which is the NFA say yan say eno na abeye the mother body for the industry because osha comprise all the stakeholders e wo ho into directors involved actors involved producers involved all the crew involved you were a rep from communication ministry into sa we board na e wo ho no ya passes ha bi we no e yo mu asade say ka asap now no e ki a lot of symposia ye fora me who conferences akoso a mudi educate members and say this is what they say directional the person it move industry no no what pass bill to act na at the house na me na me te hono mfa so be na wo so ma me before you know no as it stands now no bi enko bi okokro nya bi nkan eno bi kwa kan a ne ntia se no mu no anything
obi kwa o hanya say ye discuss wa ha onim kwa say bisa ho
matters of legalities no enya brofo ne de kan matters of legalities the man e kan and there are some terminologies here we be found wrong but legally no na bia it means a different thing into what I went treat the NFA to do and say omuma emra na abano emra from but we talking command emra from na the last person in the industry no on team rana say so that few ho ko nipa na ye bibi o mu say eh sa die we no
yes obi antimi sorry keke nkonko se mi kokoko mi kwakotwa sini
because classification here I feel no money abri say na mama quite say impression you it's in the public domain say yes say NFA say TV stations mama beja telenovelas ni enya no credit
omo de mra
NFA any authority so make say who me nji telenovelas nemo there are laws on person follow laws because president Kasa or say on my quota I think 70-30 70 content for the local producers and 30 for the foreign content. It's NFA need to me so because on prima ye telenovelas. Nemo a man who that was a local producers na ye dey from eco classification board mom sense my classify my not foreign content na eba no Germany
different enu fem ko.
You see no Germany ko sa and osha and categories na ye hwe no music video also involved anything video anything audio visual anything audio visual involved music video TV series but what do we see with our music videos there are some content that can move me na wa okay some presenters be see abashian no some could be see abashian but because it's music they think there are no laws governing it.
Okay, I heard you. Me know you are doing in the sense nka a movie mu nanka oba run to ho na be ma twinu say anka e dey assemble ba but then is it not say ebia ni padodo a e be hwe music video no enye sa ni padodo na e be hwe movie say ye form ye kodjon kasa o movie mu eno ntina ama nipa adwene nhye dan kokosa
music video say ye kind of crime ye ho almost you're sing movies. The duration is I just limited, just 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, yeah. This is about the TV one, just a flash back, wash every. But moving the content every 2 hours. Never do something between transaction content. And take a ban near man. I was like, me and you come upon and can hold a 1 and a 2 short videos. You see, sketch no in our part of movie making now. Nipa pay attention to it. But when you go to advanced countries now, and only series, and only develop the characters. Over say industry now, you break characters from series and skits, which is the short videos. And within a short time, Nipa phone so cry now, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, but can download the Russian ID. It's another crown of war. Why there I done movies no? But yeah, forms eco classification, because my music sensation no montias yo ye dey ko sensation board am ma sensa mine sanko for we no
they never be trim cough simple
we pay na sensation board all the choir it's not for free ye tia me amount receipt wo ho eno na wo copywriter wo dey be ko you see na obi aye music na at the TV so sa akwa net Ghana na obi akọ Philippines obi akọ Mexico na akọje so bi no ade aba na oyi no kwa sorry, series even cancer. Telenovela even. Not just about
the all kind of Pragiano, what they are your work.
Okay, and you don't know what you no, I faba. Na yeah, Boka Hanon do the Abano in Oyinisa. So the NFA and Mom and 9 AC fan. But the saddest aspect of it is say, Unya NFA will be when if you get beside say. Office what was all banana medin come. I'm just giving you a clue. Because I query research, I'm a journalist, and I must suggest someone. I'm giving you no. Me type of person, me type of person.
There is yes and an assembly.
That's assembly.
Journalists are said yes or be research. Minimum assembly and I cannot pass up. That assembly do a wine. You just give you a clue. You go and do your research. Sometimes and you prove me wrong. Because that's not Obi Adi come now question. Now got them say come now wo share no. Me say some kind of try you na me kan try bisa wo. Wo na we I'm giving you a clue. Sir. Unya NFA board member bia bisa say o person bomb office na be inquiries. Me demand no be see. Now me carry rating, phone rating, ewo baby ah. But Ghana han women yen sua say ye bedi nwaso. Because ultimately your from na ye ngini sa. Even
most of the television stations cry at fault and I'm sure from no bibia na so
say man buy no munyina
omunim they are laws governing them omunim TV station bia no onim say oyi film man also we ono hu say film we under this or that
first cry not mo yes ade ne pa no match PG
ye bi hu ye hu aye PG and 18 ye hu aye PG and 18 but ratings no and never be brave ewom your former undi 15 and above you shouldn't watch it because normally no mama fa Ghana han example nyanya na ye hwe pa one a language and the film composition and ye hwe the cultural values nya hwe social political issues so say assembly wo ho politically no unkofa conflict emma ye san hwe ethnicity
papa wa ko fu ka pianti na le bro for some was no man so
addition yes anti senia and I tell yeah because you have here go yes ada ma me ura
ya ma pi no so
sometimes you me fa book ma nti say
me ba ma pi no so
ye hwe yamamre ani yamamre amane ene de hwe nti entimi ma say wakoye from na o de form no kire se akanfo efrantuma na bad sa kan ni ba obetutuntuma sa classification board o ma se de ni bi no ratings no ye hwe sa nyame ni nyina na entimi ma se politically no o de party A o de we insert party B but we mu se nyame kan
o she amanyoko we kutu pass on ni nkonkwa ye
because film no a very powerful tool baby american say o pese o say o man ya music and they say o man America be very great due to their movies America is almost so Vietnamese nepa nampa nesi go ba ma a background
that's it
a very fantastic story you see it ya hwe sa nyama ni nyina ya mamre ya manye ethnicity fanti asante se go se oya asante ni ntino nkoya film enkotia mosini na oya mosini nso ntino nkoya film enkotia fantini
na be free ya tribalism
ya hwe sane mani nyina na two ya hwe nudity se film na ya hwe e ma no ho aroro e mema ho aroro no etisen on se de etie no the or classification board na nudity baby o has almost a bit too because there's a way of going about it we have maka collaborate in papa share form na dru baby na papa no characters no be man ko kissing
ba no fear be
oh yes o ko fina no na papa na yes no say that you are fast so ko kissing no that you are fast so ko kissing no it very few minutes papa no side the call back cuz that decide you na we cried that
I know you
cried that so when bring now your omasede you see and now your sign fa religious background once Ghana ha no ye was sun hodro e wo ho a Christopher wo ho Kremufo wo ho Buddhist e wo ho omo en kwa so na no so no e wo ho nti eni se obi nso ye from e gira we mu bi so e de kan ba kon e she that
and say mo no na mu ye o say ba ko be ka say bosomsum ni bi na so fo bi bompire tutu ni nyama ma no na ye jabe ton bosom nim say ne na no na mu
onya when to the art na say asana be fam
okay
but yes sanity but na me kan say unkobia dem enko create conflict and me town ni pa no
famanso
because so be sure kin soba e ya film bi I think the roof but na me kan malamisa or amoko bi so buta in
almost say ja ko amompa ye ni
Poji movie very good
almost say ja ko ankobo am fresh say the Muslims fresh friend no
eno
ko fa say ba
krabi no problem me say ye keke no krabi mpo no umu babia na ka elidi tu enti ena fi omu adwuma ye pa na ye be strong say omuma emra from to the ordinary people
okay omuma emra from to the ordinary people where director Akwesi Buedu and what's in a movie director and so yeah TV osansu TV content manager and yema bebre no na papa we ni ma no so na edru o corona edru bi so no de corona
ni fa bebre agi ha dance
okay ejeron me sam wa kwa be answer now was squadis I feel be rem 5 minutes eja yin ti you
and then say kwabi
I'm say nkomo na ye de mo timi
dem ka say no ni
I know see ni fu
me kwa no ni mi di nkomo say ne ge bi eja no ti say ma wa ye
ene me ma ya ko na me show dem why ka de che uni bibi
aje o bo me nkomo
yam say with regards to
say mo na mo ye producers adiaba mo complaints ne say obi flat me produce movie because sheto kuro baby no ko produce movie na what the aba say or the giska no na egu adwuma no say mraba eni je say me wo mu mamo ne de na mra ya abai so de na ba ya mamo mo producers
edi kind no match film practitioners na yada president so ase woni na pam for say finally obetimi a pass bill na e dey am but only me problem be that is what I want to talk about most because me kind bill me go through I don't see anything different from what
the never had that
me who are the fufu bia e what bill you mo
okay now you need so mo yen say ya me yi bi enfim na mu ye be share ne ma o mo de mra ne be kaye chiri ma na hyema
sure say what na sabria bill ya be say be adwuma na say na adwuma that is my problem I believe say obi ani hono ma emra ya hye e dey bo your friend say Ghana law court ho ban ban I don't think say obi ani hono ma be ma na kwan am na validity sa emra no na ya kase for reason being to when you
man ko
only say your copyright before so the young pass law required copyright law so what law people were pirating our movies and so no e do baby a copyright law cry na ye dey be prosecute we cry say copyright e ma kwan so be intellectual property for open na kofa GCK dia na say for koye wade and ko do baby a so the police for crap hunt na when you be china ya call the tax force
na mo nya obi a che no
e do kra no e do baby ni ye nya copyright law ye nya act no ye wuru fa and prosecute the pan
hunu saying equivalence
na me ba be kan there were instances are this for no na sometimes e dey just na ko na omukra no omukra ni sa copyright law no say ha no ma ho kwan say etimi chi ni pass message ni say
na nya no entina say e ba be si masama me bisa me kan say emra na ye ya na akata so na ye twen say wo be fun ansa na emra na di
o say je na me pese me ye say enka aban wo hu ye mobo na wo de emra ba be bo adwuma na ye na chi dom no enka de me expect ni say sabri yo enka e wo say enka mo pe nimdifo a omunimo mra no say okay munko biebie emra we see mu emfa nkire say adwuma ko film practitioners munko na munko chire mu say adwuma no mu ye e say ni me dia ma me ka asem cho Ghana o e yare ho semo adwuma na ye na ase di agro o de film e ba for more ready for crowd mo hwe hawa na film industry ni about advert no okay yes ba adverta sinifo nkwa ye bebo no sika pa krache sa okay sika pa radio ni TV aje free sinifo butum hwe enipa dodo a na yetimi employ wo mu tama na movie jana na so na wo tisa ho kire ho me na wo ti complaints me sa na ho kire no but ohunu say
the same mood no
yeah fa especially when you employ you no have obey movie back we no e ya na e ba kuma ya say obeye sini ba ko hwe nipa dodo a na wa mo no adwan omunsa ko ma adwuma we frato emfa obi an so bebo ho ban yesi ya shemra we say section 30 was a film development fund me the one I'm interested me what I'm interested work as because and yet to say adwuma na you left from right to but me nia na this guy
you say no dey fund na beto wo dey amamu no emeboa
fund no odi ababeto amaye no se fund no enye tro ne atro ne keke na mum ya tro na ebe ya adwuma that is my worry NBSSI said the TV ho na nyamiado me ebe ka sika watwa to no market device industry want to be I think that na say okay na that okay and yes na this sika no so obi ani ji o
sir
we all happy oh we ready nti say nyamiado masai say dia and finally dey betimi enya bibia revamp
movie
industry with some film producers ne say nipa do say e no butimi access NBSSI ya no manye anase yeye e na anyi edu baby Okrekumante ene then creative arts minister a meeting bi wo Royal Metal I think so Royal Metal ye bisa sa question say e di NBSSI no obi abenya bia na say e ho ne yeka ye me yeti asese enye obi ade benya sika ni
na hefo ne nya
aje so bisa Okrekumante
na ubusa no ho no osinye obi an obenya bi obi antumi anso antumi amusa ne say na ehefo ne nya
na over time bi ade sare ko bisa kwa me yiwa no independent doors time aso ye ntama sa akwa ye flight are ready ye pentam obebisa we waka ye yiwa no bi ye pentam obi foforo so musa ne de
no bi foforo to obi anu hu a wantumi amusa sa akwa
e pesa me kira de se aban wo hu ye mobo na nyame adom wo se ese ya Ghana akohoma sika no yeso so wodi din beka ho a on man reflect na ye yankasa na film practitioners no ye nya dance for say ampa film fund e buy no
o man pani ntwamu anya
what you say na say e wo say ye bibi ne ye kasa ampa o man pani na ye bibi ama na ye de sense ye bu ne akasa o aban we say de ye hunu say film fund no ye de ani hunu bi but ye de anoka ya chro bubukum but e reflect ma
reflection no but obodu ma me mbo me nwa kakrawa e be reflect you but young industry players ni to da ya na say ya we are our own enemies ye ho abro sky okay e betimi aba e betimi free government cafes abeto menim board e be say dia we dey use NFA say e say there's someone here no e be mo per committee as can e wo ho but as to say omo betime this basis kanama obimpo nsa ka bi no na obi to chalk e wo you won't believe it me kontokwa bi besi na onu say mo friend say as of ska me gi bi da na me as a director producer na o de o exhibit of former obi ti board to catch yourself from no scratches was 20 from no taxes I say one many people on what board no so no the person knows nothing about filming. But what the board knows every man Chanika, it is young we are own enemies. And a banner said, yeah, outspoken, you know, must have been all quiet before. That is all your kind of credit. They will never call you.
Okay, Papa time.
Oh, come me, okay, crowd to us now.
The problem is, I think, I was say, politicians, Nankasa, almost started respecting young film practitioners and say, yeah, field in a home. Board we say the bako fa ni pa bia omuni adwuma na yan no hunim die na betena
and then mo chairman yes Secret Safo
the chairman Secret Safo yeah
ono na nanka ono na mpese me ni di enkomo we ni ehwe kwan a obefa so
Secret chairman
National Film Authority ono na emrei kraba ehun say ebeto public domain ono kwa na wasensan next week nyame adoma me pese ye be friend no wa kire ye kwan a ombe fa so a said ye mu ke mra no na wo hodada na so ye ntimi andi so mu anwu say ye di so mpuma enema akoyie eti say na emra ba be di na akire ahye ne kete no de obetumi aye edi aboa na de ma me ko bo ni se na wo se mo pe mu bi so no woni mbie wo mo adwuma yi
o woni mbie wo adwuma yi okay so safo na chama but ni bisa say various boards no so safo ye ma film industry to me say o mo ankasa for me say board na say a government and that for me board
it's a question say next week first week
no mo bisa because say mo de ma ye ankasa say ye nhwe say ye befa o ma o mo wo adwuma no hu ni de na o ma tena board no so a say sa akofo no mo wo adwuma no hu ni de no ehia na say ye adwuma adwuma no ho a enya fe na o contain ebia party o belong to and I say ebia what interest over be fufuru and you solely on adwuma no interest but make us say we a politician what na better board me so all ba no enya sinifo ayi no be yo o be dwene de bema yaka say the party ayi say o be dwene de bema yaka say na wono na ye say wo bo no ho modern wa hanon ba but me ti so obi a me film producer me wo board so a ade a me hwa ne say ade a me ye bia na wo say me make sure say movie asa revamping.
Now we need even politics as okay. See a family movie in the movie for Ibia film makers and players Ibia Kotana. Politics no still revive because Mumu cry and must say we were listening to me were MPP me pressing me a Panama.
Put him my main kind of friend so Obia the one man when you're politician. Obia the one man with the political interest. With the exception of some few Ghanaians, we are
floating voters.
Floating voters. Me say me a floating voter.
Oh boy.
And we are not. I now want to make us.
You have to say the Obama bravo.
Party. Party him.
And then go good mood. Some other time, no, my place
okay.
No cross and say, so Ushinia. Oh, party, Miss Norway party. But what it but a Juma be did. I don't think so. Party be influenced about the same.
But a bit to me about me, yes, had sir, body. Now you'll be to say, Mr. Beautiful. Aquacotana body issue. Sure. Now, say, Obi to say, Evans, I know a bro, our than MPP. Airport. Aquaco, Eddie, as someone who here, Aquaton anymore. Imagine, dear now, didn't say a bit because Mr. Beautiful for the part from some years in Yeno, yes, or your NDC.
One say, on one say, on one neck can I
say, yes, or your NDC mean today, yen feature movies. Ubusana or Sasana or Moka. And Ukrainian feature movies in here. And then I brought also
me John. Mr. Beautiful, Lewin said to Kumasia.
Okay.
Lewin director one set. Last 2 weeks.
Sober.
This week, sober yeah, Juma. I was beautiful also. Mr. Beautiful said, didn't have an anti Miyama. No, we are saying you have a castle, obviously, NDC.
And on the all canon.
Okay.
Almost more actors, no. Ubisa Ebinwa, Omojitum say politics no.
Is there
NDC aspect no. It is why I say you'll be to say beautiful. I got to board vision, a jack who can hold. I could pay BB and I say I could pay Mwebia. Say the
because say a binding my and you choose you for the work now. So about one survey interest. No what the correct politics are. And yet they are miniatures about your appointed and what now forever. Me bacho dem kan watch say aye den ya term no be so ama e be say here members for board no so I think say e do one ma won't mean say me kan say yes afa na board no so it is say kan ya na choose you mu dia but make us say aban na choose you we are it's just on